Welcome to Bach's Kitchen. Today what I'm doing is for cooking for my dogs. I make healthy treats for them, and one of them is dehydrated sweet potatoes. It's very simple. You just cut the sweet potato into strips and line them up on the dehydrating tray. I do different size because I have different size dogs. These are for my little Dachshund Peanut. And all you do is line up the dehydrating tray. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays of sweet potatoes, raw sweet potatoes, and I'm going to put it in the dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, just put it on large cookie sheets, and on a sunny day, especially in Houston, just leave it outside for several days, 2-3 days, until it's dry, and then you can put those in a container, airtight container, and put it in the fridge so it doesn't mold. So this is my dehydrator. I'm going to stack up my sweet potato on it. Cover it up with the top one and turn it on at 130 degree F, and time is going to be 24 hours. With the dehydrator, it goes much quicker than if you have to use the sun. And that's it. 24 hours later, we're going to have some dry sweet potato treat for the dogs. 20 hours later, the sweet potato is dry enough to be stored in a tightly covered container. Zoe and my dog really loves it. And this little one for Peanut. So I'm going to put all of these in the container. We put in the refrigerator for them to eat as a treat. So you can see these dog treats are very healthy because there's nothing, I didn't add anything, it's pure sweet potato. That way you know that, there is nothing unhealthy about it. How many times have you seen recalls on dog treat, dog food? And it's because it is laced with poison and it's harmful to your babies. So take a little time and make food and treat for your fur babies. If you have enjoyed this video about making treats for your fur babies, please subscribe, and I will be making more videos about cooking for dogs very soon. Love your fur babies. Do the right thing for them.